The tech field is booming right now, and it has been for years. And I am here to demystify the belief that you can't work in tech unless you have a degree or you're a math genius. Because both of those things are totally untrue. I do not have a degree in tech. I am not a math genius. However, I have successfully worked in the tech industry for years. And here are a few reasons why I think you should consider doing the same. First, tech is flexible. Now, working in tech can mean so many different things. Now, you don't necessarily have to be a software engineer. The tech field has so many career opportunities. You could be a data analyst or a web developer or an SEO specialist or a UX designer, even a technical writer. There are so many options. Number two, it pays well. We've seen a huge rise in demand for tech jobs, especially in the last couple years during the pandemic. And that demand for tech jobs, it's not going anywhere. Tech skills are needed very badly, and trust me, you will be compensated for your effort. The whole world has gone online, so there will always be a great need for tech. Number three, work remotely. Tech jobs can easily be done remotely. If you've always dreamed of location independence or you want to work around your own schedule, this could be the perfect fit. Maybe you've got a family and you want to spend more time with your kids, or maybe you just want to travel the world. Now, the big question, how do I get into tech? Most people think they need a fancy tech degree or they need math skills to get into tech. Now, don't get me wrong, that can be true in some cases. However, if you want to start your own business and freelance, you don't need the degree and you don't need the math skills. There are so many different ways to get into tech, but I want to talk to you about my favorite way, coding. And you may be wondering, what the heck is coding? Coding is basically how we communicate with a computer. With code, we tell the computer what we want it to do, and then it does what we asked it to do. It might sound a little scary, but I promise it's not. It's actually really, really fun. I am a huge advocate for people giving coding a chance because it's not the big scary beast that everyone makes it out to be. Now, don't get me wrong, I know that coding is not for everyone. However, I also believe strongly that if people give it a chance, they might be pleasantly surprised and they might fall in love. So whatever you do, don't let the fear of it being too hard stop you. Coding is definitely not as hard as Hollywood makes it out to be. All you really need is a willingness to learn, some good Google skills, and a great eye for detail. And yes, practice is absolutely the best way to learn and get better. So check out the link to our free 5-day coding challenge. The link is in the description below. We would love to have you join us. All right, thanks everybody. Appreciate you being here.